If you're a beginner and you want to increase your win rate, or you just want to stop bleeding profit from the market, then you need to understand how to use volume. Now, I have a ton of videos on this, but I'm going to simplify this as best as I possibly can. Add the volume indicator to your chart, any chart. I only trade Forex currencies though, like the pairs, okay? So this doesn't work in demo for whatever reason. They don't have it on there, but I digress. So we're looking for the volume bars that are like 3 to 4 times higher than the other ones. So all these little black marks, those are the regular volume bars, and these 3 are the higher ones. This would technically be a cluster. This is a single volume bar. So we're looking for, this is supposed to be for this one, and this is supposed to be for this one. So even though these are higher volume bars, your actual candles might look totally different. So a larger volume bar does not necessarily equate to a larger candle. It could be a doji. So what we're going to do is we're going to mark the support and the resistance of the body and the wick, okay? So you would actually have one here, 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 and here. Now, you can see that your chart might get a little bit crowded doing that. So after I go and I mark it up, I will remove any of the unnecessary horizontal lines. And in future videos, you'll see what I mean by unnecessary. We really only need 1 or 2. So if I am selling, I'm looking for, historically, there goes my marker top, I'm historically looking for either a cluster or volume bars that give me the same line. Okay, so that would be this one, and this one. So now I'm waiting for price to come back up to this line, which is going to be right here, and I'm going to sell for 1 minute, but it's not 60 seconds. I'm looking for 1 minute flag. So if you're trading on pocket option, you would click on your timer. Your timer looks like something like this, and you're going to change it to the flag, all right? And you're looking for, what is it, plus M1, and then just make sure that your timer is all zeros. You don't want it to end in 30 because that's really 1.5 minutes. So anyways, this is super, super, super simple. I use this every single day, and I learned this. It's not even a strategy. I learned how to use volume from Trade Like Dre on TikTok, and it made my money line strategy just so significantly better. I can actually show you my recent trades, and I did show this on live, but try to get rid of that glare. So these are all greens, and you can see that this is real. So let's go to, I'll just change it to something else. I'll change it to something else again. And then now we'll go into trades, and you'll see that they're all back-to-back greens. I am using only 3 indicators: the 55 SMA for trend, meaning buy above, sell below. I'm also using Williams. So I have Williams set at -50 and -50. So I literally only have one line: buy above, sell below. And volume is default, which is 10. And that's it. I trade based on trend lines and horizontal lines. Now, how can you increase this win rate even more? Well, I'm going to show you something right now. We're going to add a trend line. Okay. I have a whole strategy just based on trend lines, but we're going to make this super, super simple. Okay. So I see 2 places that I can add trend lines to, but if I'm looking to sell when I get to this candle right here, what I'm going to do is I'm looking for a 2 touch. So I'm looking for the touch of the trend line and the horizontal line. So I would draw a trend line going up this way. So this shows me that I would sell right there. So even if, and just so you know, we also have an FVG here. So we have 3 massive reasons to take a trade here. So we have our support, resistance line, whichever is appropriate, from our volume candle and our volume bar, volume candle. We also have our 2 touch, which is the trend line meeting this horizontal line from our volume. And we have the break of structure from our FVG, and you can draw a line here on the top of this wick and on the top of the body. So this means that, let's draw this all the way across. It would look something like that. So this means that, let's say that we took our trade on the touch of this candle on the trend line and it didn't work. We can also take it on the touch of this line. So we have line 1 and line 2. Line 1 is volume, line 2 is FVG. So if we lost here, we would just double it on the FVG, and but there's literally no reason why you would lose this trade, because we have 3 massive reasons for taking this trade. And you would also see that, so if we put these into account, so the 55 SMA, let's get rid of all this so that I can kind of draw it out for you. So if our other indicators were taken into account, we would need to be below, price would need to be below the 55 SMA, which might be like that. And our Williams, which is just one line, right? Price would be below or right at this line. So let's say that it looks like something like this and it's coming back up. So it would need to be below this line. If all of these things match, meaning all of our confirmations are there, we have our, this is our SMA. So we are below the 55 SMA. We are below our FVG line. We are below our volume line, and we have our touch of our trend line. It just, all of these things are matching up, and we're below the Williams line. That's like 5 or 6 reasons right there to take this trade. Okay, so you have to make sure that you are taking them where you're supposed to, and I promise you that you can increase your win rate just by adding this one thing and understanding how to use it by like 50%. Even if you want to increase it by 10%, that's still 10% more wins that you're going to get just by adding in this one concept, okay? So if you want to learn more about this, my VIP course is linked in my bio, or it's in the description. It's somewhere where you found this video.